Hi everyone, welcome to Izzy Couponing. My name is Arceli. I appreciate you joining me today for another couponing video at Walgreens. If you were able to coupon at Walgreens last week, hopefully it went really well and you earned extra Walgreens cash. If yes, I always recommend to roll your Walgreens cash so you can get register rewards back, or if you have many register rewards from last week, roll those into spend deals for a low out of pocket. In today's video, I'm going to go over this week's deal starting on July 30th through August 5th. Now, I did receive a couple of new digital spend coupons, earn $7 on Walgreens cash when you spend $25, and another digital coupon of earn $7 when you spend $20 on Walgreens branded products. Plus, don't forget about that month-long spend coupon where you earn extra Walgreens cash when you make so many purchases. So let me know down in the comments what digital spend coupons you received this week. However, there is also a paper spend coupon that you can use to also earn Walgreens cash if you didn't receive a digital one. And yes, the paper and the digital spend coupons do stack together, but you must use a pay now option on your Walgreens app to make this happen. And a barcode will pop up on your phone so that the cashier can scan it. So let's go ahead and look at some deals of the week. Keep in mind, you must do these deals in separate transaction if it's the same promotion, and you must do them in store to earn that register reward for the promotion. First deal I'm looking at is Olay. It's on sale for $7 each, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $16 out of pocket, but get back $5 registry reward. And it looks like the P&G register reward for spending $20 is back, and it's including Olay again, making the final cost $6 or $2 each. However, there's also an Ibotta rebate still going on the Ribbons Olay products, so you'll pay $16 out of pocket, but get back that $5 registry reward. And $6 back from Ibotta. Last week, the P&G $5 registry reward was specific to certain scents, so I'm not 100% sure if this is going to include the ribbon scent. But without the P&G registry reward, the final cost is $5 or $1.66 each. And Old Spice body wash is included in this promotion on sale this week for $7 each, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $16 out of pocket, but get back that $5 registry reward, and $4 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $7 or $2.33 each. Moving on to Gillette Old Spice Secret deodorants on sale 2 for $13, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon for Old Spice. So you'll pay $14.50 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward and $6 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $3.50 or $1.16 each. Or if you prefer Secret, there is a $4 off digital coupon for Secret deodorants. So you'll pay $15.50 out of pocket, but get back that $5 registry reward and $2 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $8.50 or $2.83 each. Next, some hair care deals. Pantene shampoo and conditioner on sale for $5 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $2 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $8 out of pocket, but get back that $4 registry reward. So that's going to make the final cost $4 or $2 each. And Head & Shoulders is on sale for $6 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $3 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $9 out of pocket and get back that $4 registry reward. So that's going to make the final cost $5 or $2.50 each. Next, dental care. Crest Oral-B products are on sale for $5 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $2 off digital coupon for a toothbrush and a $2 off digital coupon for toothpaste. So you'll pay $6 out of pocket, but get back a $4 registry reward. So that's going to make the final cost $2 or $1 each. Now, if you're not including this promotion in a spend deal, I would pass on this promotion this week, as I like to wait until we have dental care for free. Next, Safeguard hand soap is on sale 2 for $5, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $2 registry reward. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon. Pay $3.50 out of pocket, but get back that $2 registry reward. So that's going to make the final cost $1.50 or 75 cents each. Up next, Nexus is on promotion. When you buy 2, you get a $10 registry reward. There is an $8 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $27.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back that $10 registry reward from the promotion. And check your Fetch Rewards, as I have a reward for 10,000 points for spending $30, and Nexus is included. So that's going to make the final cost $7.98 or $3.99 each. Next deal on Dawn Easy Squeeze on sale for $3.99 each, and on promotion when you buy 4, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon, so you'll pay $15.46 out of pocket, but get back that $5 registry reward. That's going to make the final cost $10.46 or $2.61 each. Now, it does appear Dawn is included in the P&G promotion again when spending $20, so you'll need to make sure that your total is over $20 for that $5 P&G registry reward to print. Next deal on the Secret Body Spray, on sale for 2 for $14. There's no promotion that I saw, but there is a $4 off digital coupon that's applying, so you'll pay $10 out of pocket. Submit your paper receipt to Ibotta for $4 back. Final cost is $6 or $3 each. Up next, promotion on Axe body spray or deodorants. Spend $20, get a $5 registry reward. So you can buy 3 deodorants. There is a $7 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $14.87 out of pocket, but you'll get back that $5 registry reward. So the final cost is $9.87 or $3.29 each. And then don't forget to submit a paper receipt to Fetch for points. And a good razor deal on Gillette and Venus. Buy 2, get $10 in Walgreens cash. There is a $3 off digital coupon for a Venus razor and a $3 off digital coupon for a Gillette razor. So you'll pay $16 out of pocket and get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Final cost is $6 or $3 each. Moving on to some online and miscellaneous deals, starting off with Suave Men's 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner, on sale, buy one, get 50% off, and there is a $4 off digital coupon. And an online discount code of FAST10 will take off some extra savings when buying 2. So the final cost will be 16 cents for both. Awesome, awesome deal. Or that same coupon will work on Kids Suave 3-in-1 Shampoo, Conditioner, Body Wash. So after the digital coupon and that online discount code of FAST10 applies, it's going to make the final cost $2.86 for both. Next, Dove hand soap is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. There is a $3.99 off digital coupon plus the online discount code of FAST10. It's going to make the final cost $3.49 or $1.74 each. Next, Febreze Products has a couple of digital coupons available, one for $2.30 for a small space and another one for car, plus the online discount code of FAST10. It's going to make the final cost $1.80 for both. Moving on to some miscellaneous deals, starting off with Kellogg's cereal. On sale, buy one, get 2 free. No digital coupons that I saw, but Ibotta has a rebate of $1 back on each. So that's going to make the final cost $1.26 each. And Hershey Share Candy, on sale for buy 2, get 1 free. There is a $2 off digital coupon applying, so that's going to make the final cost $2.99 for each bag. Next, the Nature Bounty Vitamins, on sale, buy one, get 1 free. There is a $4 off digital coupon available. Plus, submit paper receipt to Ibotta for $1 back. So it's going to make the final cost $1.49 for both. And General Mills cereal is on sale for $2.49 each this week, which actually went up from the previous weeks. However, there is a $1 off digital coupon when you buy 2. Plus, Ibotta has a rebate of 50 cents back on each. So that's going to make the final cost $2.98 for both. And finally, for my digital spend scenarios, I actually have a couple of scenarios to share. Starting with the Nexus promotion, since it's already meeting my spend requirement, it will qualify for the earn $7 back when spending $25. So you'll pay $27.98 out of pocket, but get back that $10 registry reward, 10,000 points from Fetch if it's available to you, and $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25. So it's going to make this purchase 98 cents or 49 cents each product. Now, if you're not brand loyal and would like to stack the digital spend coupons of the earn $7 when you spend $25 and earn $7 when spending $20 in Walgreens branded products, here's a quick scenario as I have many register rewards from last week to lower my out-of-pocket. So I will be combining the Walgreens paper and trash bags to the Safeguard promotion. So after the digital coupons apply, out-of-pocket will be $25.49, but I'll get back the $7 for spending $20 on the Walgreens branded products, $7 for spending $25, and a $2 registry reward from the Safeguard promotion, making this purchase $9.49 or $1.87 each product, which these are items that I need, so a spend deal worth doing this week for me. So I'm gonna end my video here. Make sure to check out other Walgreens videos throughout the week, but if you enjoy couponing or simply watching couponing videos, click on that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Bye everyone!